The reason why I didn't scream is because I'm in the bathroom and I don't want to scream. But I can do it. Hey, YouTube! Welcome back to my channel, okay? I'll be cleaning up. Oh, I thought that was for a long time. Oh, Kaya. Did you put Pam on her? Huh? Pam on the biscuits, up under the biscuits?
Yeah.
So I won't be cleaning in this vlog, in this 11-minute vlog. I will be cooking, okay? I'll be cooking chicken nuggets and french fries. So, y'all, just gonna get a pan. You heard it, a pan. Well, not a pan, but a pot. I mean, not a pot, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna fix chicken nuggets, so. Everybody see? You can see me, you can see the pan. So I'm gonna go get the chicken nuggets and the french fries. Okay, so half is gonna be, this half is gonna be chicken nuggets, and this half is gonna be french fries. Although if it's still not out, guess what? We gonna make the easy way. My nails are done. Okay, it's not coming out. When we drop it, it comes. So it's not just me tripping. Putting on the windows. I could do one more chicken nugget. And that's exactly half. I'm gonna put this chicken nugget back. Back to the side. Not exactly that many french fries. I want the long one. Okay. So I'm gonna put them back and I'll eat bowl. So now, y'all see them biscuits in there? Those are not mine. So I'm just gonna. Kaya, come get your biscuits.
Can you get off my stuff?
Nobody was on your stuff. Okay, I'll see you in about 20 to 25 minutes. You guys, it is almost done. We have about 7 more minutes. So I'll see y'all when it's 7 more minutes. Hold on, wait. Never mind. I'll just see y'all when I see y'all. Alright. Oop. Oh, shoot. So you guys, when I look at it, it looks pretty done and it feels pretty done. So I'm gonna go get the thing and then I'll get it. Oh, let me back this up. Because last time I almost burned myself. I have this thing. Kinda hurts my nails when I use it, but it works. I did pull it out though. So we're gonna see how they taste now. And yeah. We're gonna see how they feel. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. So everybody, I'm gonna put it back in there. They said it's not done, so it's not done, it's okay. We'll try again. So we're gonna let it sit for about 10 more minutes. So I'll see y'all in 10 minutes. If I didn't tell y'all that I need to put it in there again, I put it in there. I forgot. I don't know if I told y'all not. So I'll see y'all in 10 minutes. Just 5 more minutes, everybody. 5 more minutes. Everybody, so it's been 10 minutes. I've been telling you that it's like 5 minutes left. And yeah, all that. I'm just gonna set it on the top stove because, you know, what if the counter burns or anything like that? So we're gonna cut it off, and if we have to let it sit some more, we're gonna let it sit. So I'm gonna get a fry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll be right back. Cut it off because I don't got that much time left. We got the clue. We got the answer from the expert, and yes, it is done. Yeah. Last time, like, he could feel the potato, like, it was, like, really hard. So, I'll see y'all when I start eating. So, once I have the plate, I put my fry in there. Let's head up put my chicken nugget, but I have more chicken nuggets. So, I'm going to take a little ketchup and put it on the side. So, that's my lunch. And it is 12:32 right now. So this is actually past my lunchtime, my actual lunchtime. So I'm gonna eat a French fry and take a bite of a chicken nugget. I want another one. Chicken nugget. I would recommend it. I would recommend you leaving it in there for about 30 minutes. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. You want some? Here you go. Bye. Love you guys. Instagram is x0.aaron.